Galw'r cynulliad.
I call the National Assembly to order. As you all know, our Chief Executive and Clerk, Clerk, has decided to retire following almost a decade in the role. The Clerk is the most senior Commission employee and our principal accounting officer. It is the responsibility of the Assembly Commission to make this appointment, and over the last few months we have conducted a rigorous competitive recruitment process to find a replacement for Claire. We were looking for an exceptional individual and we attracted a strong field of candidates. I'm delighted to announce the appointment of Manon Antoniazzi as our next Chief Executive and Clerk. Manon has had an impressive career and brings a wealth of experience at a time when we face many new challenges and opportunities. Manon is currently Director of Culture, Sport and Tourism for the Welsh Government, having been Chief Executive of Visit Wales. Earlier in her career, she had roles at the BBC and S4C as well as with the Prince of Wales. The Commissioners are in no doubt that Manon will approach the role with great skill and enthusiasm and a passionate commitment to the success of this Assembly. The performance of the Assembly Commission has a direct impact on the success and reputation of the Assembly. We rely heavily on the Chief Executive to provide innovative, effective leadership and to deliver exceptional standards of service. Thanks to Claire and our hugely committed, talented staff, the Commission is a highly regarded organisation, much admired by parliaments elsewhere. Claire will be with us until Easter, when Manon will take up the reins to lead the organisation through the next exciting and challenging phase of our development at the heart of democracy for Wales. Thank you.